Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. Today we are going to learn how to disable automatic update, the Windows update. When we are working suddenly the Windows update comes and it takes too much time to update. It's really frustrating. I understand that. So to disable automatic update on your computer, we will do only two simple steps and it will be disabled permanently. So let's get started. So the very first thing, you just have to press Window plus R key and type here services.msc and click OK. Once you do that, a new window will comes up. Just maximize it. Now click on the any of application and press W and scroll it down and look for Windows Update. Just do right click on it and go to Properties and select disabled, then apply OK and then OK. In this manner you can disable it, and you want to disable it permanently, we can do the second step. In the second step, press Window plus R key and it will open up the run window like this, and type here rich edit and hit OK. Once you type rich edit and hit OK, it will ask you to say yes. So I will say yes. And here go to H key local machine and the go to software now. Here in software looking for policies and then Microsoft, and here Windows. Now in Windows just do a right click on Windows and now go to new and click on key and type Windows Update. Once you type Windows Update, then just hit enter and do a right click on that Windows Update. And now click on new, select key and type here AU and hit the enter. Once you do that, select AU and at the right hand side just do a right click and click on new and select the word 32-bit value and type no auto update. Make sure you do not give any space. So once you type no auto update, hit enter or just click anywhere and just do a double click on that. Here we need to give value 1 to disable and hit OK. So in this manner you have successfully disabled Windows Update permanently in your Windows 10, 7 or 8 computer. So guys, if you have liked this video, please hit the like and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video. Have a good day.